Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy John Cintron.
That's fire. You feel me? Feel me? Yeah.
In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a simple shot breakdown list and also some BTS of a music video that I did in Jersey. Here's some pictures I took of G Brizo. You guys can see the location in the background. First things first, I like to listen to the song. After that, I like to location scout. But luckily enough, the client came in with the fire location. Shout out G Brizo. At the location, I pretty much decide how to set up the shot, paying very close attention to the light source. The sun, obviously in this case. I like to keep in mind, it's important to thoroughly explain how you see things, so that way you and the client can both be on the same page. It makes the process a lot easier in the end. Whether it's going to be a close-up, a medium, a wide, if it's going to be handheld, a tripod, or a gimbal in some cases. Once that's established, I like to go over with the client to see how they feel about it. Here's some BTS of that.
Should take it forever. I'm gonna be walking, I'm gonna take a few steps at a time, whatever, and I'm gonna be taking a sequence of pictures, and it's gonna be like behind your low angle, whatever, and all those pictures are gonna like create like a transition. You take a turn, you're gonna turn this way. So basically, you're literally gonna turn, like you're gonna start from like right here, wrapping this way. You're gonna start wrapping this way, turn this way, turn this way.
While I was shooting, I noticed the sun was literally setting in our direction, and that pretty much gave me the idea of how the grade should look. Also, how to approach this project. I always shoot in log. It's an extra step in the editing process, but to me, it's always worth it in the end. Here's the grade. Tell me what you guys think about it. As always, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so you guys can be notified every time I drop. And tell me if I should be dropping more content like this. If you guys like this, you know what to do. I'm up.